Si Duterte mismo! Ang bulok na Estado! Ang tao! Ang bayan! Ngayon ay lumalaban! Ngayon ay lumalaban! Baka!
Pero pinapakita rin natin.
Right now, there's also the space to hold the enemies of democracy accountable. People like Duterte who don't care about human rights and or also involved in corruption. People like Marcos who destroyed or spread so much misinformation and also turned a blind eye to corruption until it was finally brought to his doorstep that this can't go on. So I think our side, we need to figure out the story we're going to tell. But I think we've caught on to something, and I think right now what's very important is we stand with the people.
Ayun, ginamit na.